how to unsend emails on Gmail. That's what we're going to do in today's video. But first, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and write down below in the comments section any suggestion or question that you have. Also, make sure to watch our previous videos and tutorials. We have playlists for each app, and let's get started. So we're now opening Google. So what we need to do now is go to Gmail and send an email. Let's open Gmail. Let's type gmail.com. Now this is our Gmail inbox. Let's now try and send an email, because if you don't know, when sending an email, already you have time period of 5 seconds to undo sending the email. Now let's try it, and let's now send the email. As you can see, we can click now on undo, but if we leave it for 5 seconds, we can't undo it again. So we're gonna change this in order to increase the time period to 30 seconds. Let's go to the settings icon in the upper right, click on it, and click on see all settings. Then after this, let's go and scroll until we find this undo send section here, as you can see. And send cancellation period, we're gonna change it from 5 seconds to 30 seconds. You can choose 10 seconds or 20 seconds, but the safest option is 30 seconds. So let's change it to 30 seconds. And now you can undo any email in 30 seconds. And that's it. Now, when you send any email, you can wait 30 seconds before undoing or unsending the email. That's it. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and write down below in the comments section any suggestion or question that you have. And have a nice day.